If you've got about a 2022 Chevy or GMC truck product with a smoked grille, there's a good chance that yours looks like this. The chrome starts peeling, and honestly, it looks terrible. Most people think that they need to repaint it or replace the grille altogether. I stopped by the dealership and they quoted me over $2,000 for a replacement. So before I spent that kind of money, I tried something. And today I'm going to show you exactly what I did to turn this into this. So before we get going here, I just wanted to say that there's a whole bunch of videos out there on YouTube that show you how to get your grill off. I'm not going through the full removal process of the grill, and I opted to actually take the grill off because I just didn't want to get paint or paint stripper on my good paint and wreck my finish. Us guys, we take a lot of pride in our trucks, and you know what? Quite frankly, we just deserve to have a good looking truck regardless of GMC's paint issues. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you the products that I used here. I used this heavy duty stripper. It's just a paint gel stripper and it is quite aggressive, and I also used a bit of acetone to wipe the residual off after I got everything in place. And all I used was a simple microfiber cloth, something that I got at Costco, to take everything else off. So what you're seeing here is actual in real time where I have painted the gel stripper onto the tinted chrome piece here and just painted it, allowed it to sit, and give it a couple moments. You'll see how things start to bubble here quite quickly. You get a chemical reaction with that tint and it just starts to bubble and flake off. I'm going to say just about immediately. It didn't take very long at all. Probably took about 30 seconds. You can see I'm just sitting here letting it sit there, letting it soak up a little bit, and then I took my brush and it just pushed it all off. It was really that easy. So what I like about the brush is it doesn't scratch that chrome surface underneath. It just, it just kind of polishes it a little bit. The whole emphasis of this here was to make it easy and whatnot, and all I did was put a little bit of a second coat on top of here. I don't want to interrupt the filming. I actually want to show it in real time so that you can see how quick and easy this process was. So I painted a little bit more of the gel on there. Just let it soak in. And it didn't take very long for that to just, I'm going to say, push off with the brush. It was literally that easy. No scraping, no scratching the chrome surface, just something that was nice and easy and clean to do. I just keep working away at it here with the brush, pushing away at the little things, and you could take the microfiber cloth and just literally just pull all of that tint right off, and it comes off super easy. I ended up at the end of the process here using a little bit of the acetone over top of the stripper just to get away, or just to lift any of that residual stripper that was left on there, and it did a good job. So the process was literally that easy. It's pretty much brush it on, give it a little bit of a rest, wipe it off. That is essentially enough. You can see the bottom bar here where I started to clean compared to the top bars on the grill, and it just has immediate effects. It really does clean things up and makes it look good. Whatever product that you're using for stripper, I would suggest you use it on a little small spot to make sure that it's doing what you need to do and not doing anything crazy or damaging the finish at all. So if you got something of value there, click the thumbs up, click subscribe. Never know what's going to come up here on this channel next. But if you've had some success here with using the stripper on your grill, I'd really appreciate the comment down below so that we can all kind of learn and see what is being successful with everybody's grill restoration.